Namaskar. In the English series, whatever videos we have seen, in that I have created one video with the name Video 3 eOffice. It was about Unicode Mangal fonts, how to download it, the whole process of setup, and how to use it. And it was actually the left out part of the second video, that is video 2. So in English series, I prepared that video with name video 3. That video after around 7 minutes 10 seconds, I have given some current scenario what was going between India and some other country. So I got to know that it is against the YouTube policy. So they will remove the video or mute the sound or something, maybe cancel the channel as well. I heard that, I came to know from some of the people. So what I decided that I will remove that video by myself, and I either remove or make it private so that nobody can access that. But as before that 7 minutes 10 seconds, the video part was important for us. So what I'm doing, I'm recording the video again from very first second to that 7 minutes 10 second, and so that the content of the video is available for all of you to access. So the same content is there, so those new people who will visit the channel can see the video, and other people know, who have already seen that video 3, no need to no need them to see this video. So I just was want to explain that why I created this video again. And so I will just play that video and record up to that particular time. So I'm starting from there. In that video I'm going. So Namaskar. In last video, we were discussing about all the hardware, software related configurations we needed. We saw some configuration part from hardware point of view, and then software downloading, how to download, from where we have need to download, how to configure. Particularly Java was very important topic there, and we saw all the configurations needed, which will help us to do digital signature, because all the part of file management system is particularly you will learn with time, but Java actually irritates many times because of its some mistake in configuration, and digital signature or any dependent thing on Java does not happen then, and it takes a lot of time for us to troubleshoot the same. So I was discussing that, we have seen that, and then we came to typing part, and we were discussing Google input tools. And because of 15 minutes recording time in my free video recorder, the video got stopped, so I'm taking the topic further from that point. And then in last I was also telling that what Google input tool, from where we need to download, but I told that Google has stopped that, and now it is not available with us, but I'm still showing here for the video point of view, video sake. And I will show that what other options we have if that particular option is closed. So first we'll complete this topic, that if that how it was working in offline version. I'm explaining offline version because online is same thing we need to do, but the issue is only that we need to have internet for working online. So simple. So here, after it will get installed, we need to open one Word document. I'm opening one Microsoft Word blank document. See, after installation, there is one shortcut key in our keyboard. If we'll press Alt Shift, then it will change our English language to Hindi language typing. And then again, if we'll press the same key, Alt plus Shift, it will again change to, see here, it becomes HI Hindi, and this window will come. We can move it across the screen anywhere. Yeah, just see it. Okay, now this settings button is there. We can do some settings, but it is not required here, so I'm not showing. Now I will type HINDI Hindi for Hindi, and will type Hindi in in Hindi language. So just I will show you, just 1 minute. HINDI Hindi, enter. So it becomes Hindi. Those Okay, now in next line I'm typing my name. मेरा नाम प्रफुल्ल श्रीवास्तव है. So I will type MERA, NAM, NAM, and like this. So those who don't understand Hindi statement, no need to worry. I'm just typing something which you can type in any other language as well, Tamil, Telugu, whatever. That's not an issue. So the purpose was only that we have this Google input tool. Now this tool is stopped in offline version, but online it is available. So we'll go and see that offline version. So just open your browser and type Google input tools, and enter. In the screen, you just directly go to try it out. I'm clicking try it out. Here, this is screen. You can select any of the language in that language you want to work. I'm taking HI Hindi and pressing enter. Now same thing it will happen. Like I will type HINDI Hindi, it comes Hindi, and then Mera Naam Praful Srivastava. So simple. It is the same thing, but it is online version. So we must have internet. So now question comes, no, offline version was good. How we can get it? So there is one more option we have. Again, go to Google and type Microsoft Index Input Tool and enter. Microsoft is giving us this option, this Bhasha India. Just click on it. There are so many language you can work on these languages. So for this video I'm taking Hindi as language. Just click on download. When you will download, one exe will download here. Just press and next, like this. Even exe will get downloaded, like Hindi one.exe. Like when this exe will get downloaded, you just click on it, next, get it installed. After installing, you can see if I click here eng, it will come here Hindi. It is already installed, so I'm just showing it Hindi Microsoft Index. So you can select it from here, or you can have option of that Alt plus Shift wala, that will also work. Now open your Word document. Now again we'll check that it is working or not. Again HINDIC, it's working Hindi. So it's working same. Then MERA, Mera Naam Praful. Okay. So same functionality we have option of it. You can use the one you like. The choice is yours. Now what I want to say is it's not just limited to e-office typing. This is general typing. You can use these tools for general typing, for blogging, for whatever things you do, maybe for book writing, or else you can suggest it to others also. Those though it is very useful. Now the major part or the main topic of e-office file management system I will cover in the next videos. There we'll see I'll take two roles. First role I will take of one clerical staff who will create one file, will send it to his officer. Officer will log in, he will see the file in his inbox, and then he will approve it with his digital signature. We will also check that if digital signature is working or not. It will be a litmus kind of testing of that what configuration we have done in our last video. So those upcoming videos will be very useful for e-office file management system point of view, because it is the core topic. All this in the first video and the second video and this particular third video, we have just saw configuration softwares and all configuration part, but the core topics will be covered later. Now as some time is left, friends, that I was feeling very upset or say irritating with the